Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video for this PSU. This is the FlexGURU 500 watt PSU. It's a Flex PSU. I bought it for an eGPU setup. So I have a eGPU enclosure to put your graphics card into it and to connect it to your laptop, for example, as an external graphics card. And that's why I needed this FlexGURU PSU for it, because before I bought a metal fish from China. But the problem with the metal fish from China is it does not can handle the electricity. I'll target the metal fish. I will show it to you. This one, I bought this Flex PSU 650 watts, but for some reason it shuts down. If you use 200 watts from your graphics card, it shuts down. Maybe a security or protection modus, or I don't know what, but anyway. €70 lost for a Chinese PSU that is having issues. So therefore I bought this FlexGURU 500 watt PSU for an eGPU setup, and that's why I am showing you that today. So this is it, as you see it here. So this is the box, and we are going to unbox it now. I just want to tell you that we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So please subscribe and then you can win something. So yeah, you only have to hit the subscribe button. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computer stuff, all kinds of stuff. You only have to subscribe and then you can win something. So please do so if you want to subscribe. It's just hitting a button. So this is the box. You see it. I will show it you closer. 80 watt plus gold. So this means that it is very efficient. It's like 90% plus efficient. And then it has some cables and then also some yeah, I will show it to you anyway. So it is the motherboard 20 plus 4 pin ATX connector, CPU 8 pin plus 4 plus 4 pin, then PCIe, and then that's for the graphics card, the PCIe, and then also the SATA connection and the Molex connection. So I show it to you, the box. This is into it. So I never unboxed it. The only thing that I can tell about this PSU is that the cables are not modular. And because it's not modular, the cables are, you see, they are all connected to it. So you cannot do you cannot select the cables that you want to remove. They are all statically connected to it. But anyway, if you want to cut it, you can cut it. It's up to you. Anyway, I don't going to do that. I'm just going to use the power supply unit. So here you see it. Yeah, the box dropped. But anyway, that's not important. So here you see the Flex PSU. FlexGURU it calls. I think it's from Germany, 500 watts. So the people told good reviews about it. They also told that the fan is on the back side. Normally it's in the front, but this is on the back. So you have no problems with the fan here. Yeah, it can be better. The noise was also good. I heard that the noise was good. So we are going also to make a movie about the noise, about the usage. And yeah, these are the cables. It's not that heavy. It looks very thin cables, but anyway. It's also a small PSU, and yeah, we are not going to use all power. So anyway, so here you have the ATX connector for the motherboard. That's 20 pin plus 4 pin, so you can use it on any motherboard as far as I know. And then also here you have I think this is the CPU connector. You see this? No, this is the PCIe connector. So that's a 2x8 pin for PCIe. This you plug into your graphics card and then you can power your graphics part with it. And I think it is 2. It looks like 2. I believe one is for the CPU and one is for the PCIe Express. But I think they use the same connection. So anyway, you get 2x 8 pins. So 8 pins here, 8 pins there. So this both is 2x8 pins. That's 16 pins in total. And you get this cable 2 times like that. One for the CPU. And one for the graphics card. And then also you have here some hard disk connectors. Also a floppy disk. This is very old. And then Molex. That's from the old hard disk system. And this is from the SATA. These are the SATA. So 2 SATAs, 4 SATAs, and 2 Molex, and 1 floppy disk. So you see. Then the weight. I am not sure how much that the weight from the system is, but I'm going to check it. Hold on. Do I have some scale here? Yes, I have a scale here. So here you see how much weight it is. This is the weight with the cables included. Huh? So I will show it to you. It's like what? 1 kilogram. It's like 2 pounds or something. 1 kilogram, and 2 pounds. If you calculate it in pounds, it's 2 pounds around, and then 1 kilogram in total. Just not yet 1 kilogram with the cables included. So you see it, 1 kilogram, 2 pounds. That's not so much for a small PSU, but it also do not weigh much. Huh? So here you see it. Huh? There also is a cable included for the electricity. I also want to tell you to like this video if you like this. Then we can show you more. There is also some bracket included. I think this is for the backside or something. Anyway, this is for to connect it in a server or things like that, or something like that I heard. With this you can connect it into a server or make it more stable. It's some kind of adapter. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but anyway, it's included. And then you have the manual. Mostly the manuals, they use a QR code, and then you scan the QR code, and then you can view it online. And this is some guarantee, some specifications and some guarantee. I see here that they also have a 400 watt version, and this is the 500 watt. So voila. We are going to install that in this eGPU enclosure. I will show this eGPU enclosure. This is the eGPU enclosure that is not included in the power supply. So this is what you put in the GPU here, and then you put this over, and don't forget to put in the power supply unit, voila, and then you can connect your GPU with it. Huh? So we are going to install this also, and you can check out that other movies also, and then you can also hear the noise about everything. Huh? So I advise you to check out that other videos also. So yes, thank you and bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe, because like you see it here, you can win nice prizes, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye.